Hi everyone, it's Maria from Say Something Crafty. I am here to do a share with you. This is my patchwork journal that I have a tutorial for, and I'll have that link below. I also have a link below for a, if you just want to do like a boho journal and you want to just, in your beginning, that's a good way to do it. I will also have a link below for Lori W's beginner's tutorial for how to make a traveler's notebook insert. Traveler's notebook cover, and that basically covers everything, so you can check that out because it's a great place to start if you don't know what you're doing. I will also have a couple of videos linked below of some of the journals I've made, as well as some of the ones that she's made, so you guys can check those out. I'm also going to have a link for the tassels and the beads, so you guys can look at those too if you're interested. Whatever you're interested in about this journal, I hopefully have a link below for that if you want to delve more into the topic. So I'm going to go ahead and do a share with you, and these are my boho, one of my boho tassels, and I've used ribbons, I've used silks, and I don't even know what this is, but this is really pretty. And I have a, no, hold on. Gotta cut these at an angle. There we go. I have a bunch of different fabrics on here, a couple of ribbons. I have some of the cutoffs from my journal cover. So this is actually from this cover, and I didn't want to throw it away, so I used the strip to go in my tassel area. And I have some sari silk ribbons, just a bunch of different fabrics and pretty stuff in here. It's beautiful. And I have this large bead. Love this bead. And I did get this. Did I get this? I think I got this from Lori, or I got this from Butterby Scraps. One of them. And then I made this bead. I handmade this bead. And then a bunch of stuff going on. Lots of different. There's upholstery here. There's some cotton here. There's some screen print down here. There is. Oh gosh, I don't know what this is. But there's like. You coming up here finally, Freya? Hi. Hello, kitty. If I pet her, she's gonna jump. So, not like, she's not gonna jump, but she's gonna like leave. So I'm just gonna let her wander around. My cat has been like super timid, but she's getting super comfortable with stuff, which is good. She likes feet. My cat here is a foot cat. I don't know why, but she likes feet. So, I have some, the closure is attached to this. These are removable, of course, and I'm going to go ahead and go inside. And I did use Woodland Wings printable journal kit from Ephemra's Garden, and I'll have that link below too. So pretty. I love this kit. It was super pretty and went with my theme here. So, and I put the Adventure Begins, and I just have this tucked in here. Sorry if she's bugging you. Kind of just letting her do her own thing. And I have some sewing that I did in here, and this pocket is attached, and this is a coffee dyed deli paper pocket, and there's a tag attached here, and it's got 3 pockets. It's got one back here, and then one in the middle, and one in the front. So there are multiple places to put stuff. Hi, Freya. You're all happy, aren't you? So, I have a pocket clipped up here, or envelope, a mini envelope clipped up here. And I just have these images tucked inside. And these come with that kit as well. Just clip that back up there. And there is a envelope pocket here, and I have some ephemera from the kit and just some extra bits of my own in there. And then that. I hear you, Freya. I hear you. And then here is a library card, a personal library card, and I put some journal jewelry on here, and it's a boho bead that I made, and it's got that little charm on there. It's a vintage charm. And some more pretty printouts, beautiful printouts. So did some sewing here. Have some stuff tucked in here. There's a recipe card, some coffee dyed deli paper, some beautiful pages. On my computer. No, I don't want that app to make changes. So that is this journal, and that's the back. I hope you guys enjoyed the flip through. All of the links will be below for everything. If you have any questions, let me know. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.